And directly south of Kansas City, a lot of rough weather.
Tornado warnings, high winds, torrential rain in and around Lamar, Missouri. And tonight, KMBC9's Martin Augustine chased those storms. Martin?
Well, we spent the afternoon chasing storms up and down I-49 to show you what was coming toward Kansas City. We thought we ought to show you how we've rigged up some of our news cars to help bring you those pictures. First of all, in this news car that this was set up by photojournalist Jeff Roberts. We have a camera here up on the dashboard that helps us show you what we're seeing out of the dashboard. So it's a great view of the storms as they develop in front of us. Of course, we can also take pictures and email video back using our smartphones. Now, here's some video that we shot early this evening from right in the middle of a storm. The pictures show you what was reported to be winds in excess of 70 miles an hour in some areas near Sheldon, Missouri, which is between Nevada and Lamar. This burst, all part of that storm system that also hit Oklahoma. Of course, this is the northern part of it. Certainly nothing as dreadful as what was going on down there. But certainly this system produced a handful of tornado warnings. Now, while we heard that there had been some damage to buildings and homes in Lamar, we checked that out and did not find any significant problems. Now, an advantage that we have of setting up our news cars to do this is that it allows us to be very mobile into and out of a storm. That helps us stay safe, and it helps us bring you information that helps you stay safe. Also, one more thing about those smartphones, in addition to sending back pictures and video, we can also chart on radar how those storms are rolling about. That also helps us stay safe as well. Reporting live, Martin Augustine, KMBC9.